has the metal contact point, guys.
So hey, what's up guys? So I don't know if you're a new viewer or an old viewer of mine watching this video, but if you have watched this video, then you definitely know about this Beyblade which I had created almost months ago. And yes, it's a gear Beyblade that I had created using a gear like this. But guys, unfortunately, it's a fully plastic Beyblade. There's nothing such like metal in this Beyblade. There's not a single part of this Beyblade that is made out of metal. So yeah, it's very lightweighted, and because of lightweight, guys, it's not able to perform properly in the stadium. The stamina gets out very quickly. Yeah, the stamina runs out very quickly, guys, while spinning. So yeah, at the end, you can say it's a trash Bey. Anyway, guys, at the end, guys, I really got a good support and response in that video. So I have decided that I will make a metal version of that. So here it is, guys. Look at that. As you've seen in the thumbnail video, we're going to create a Beyblade using this metal gear. So let's get started. So okay, guys, here we have the metal gear part of the Beyblade. Now, guys, we need a part like this. And if you want to get this, guys, you can easily get this from the broken DB Beyblade launcher or broken sparking Beyblade launcher. I just got this from my broken DB Beyblade launcher, guys. But still, guys, if you're not able to get this, guys, then you can also make one using bottle cap. And I have showed many times how to make prong cuts in bottle cap in my previous videos. So make sure to check them out. I will give the playlist link in the description box. So we are going to stick it on top like this. This will be the front side of the Beyblade. And guys, amazingly, this part actually fits very properly into the gear. You can say it actually fits properly, guys. Just look at that. Not bad. So you're going to use super glue to stick this. I'm not going to use hot glue right now, because at the end I will add some hot glue inside, but not on front, because I just want this Beyblade to be fully clean and fresh. Okay, let's just keep it to dry. Now it's time to do some works in the bottom. Now, guys, for the bottom we need a bottle cap like this one. But yeah, the bottle cap is too much for... चलो भाई अच्छी तरह से लग जाओ. Okay, guys, now let's see what can we use for the performance step. So I have many things here. Yeah, I can also use this one, red color, but this is not looking like something that I can use for the performance step, because I really want this Beyblade to perform very well, and I really want some great stamina, something like this type of performance step, but I don't have something like that, guys. So yeah, we are not going to use... So okay, we just need this. Make sure, guys, you stick the performance tip at the center, otherwise the Bey will get unstable while spinning. So yeah, this is very important to notice while attaching the performance tip. Yeah, I hope it's at the center. Let's see. And wow, not bad, pretty stable. अबे साले, अरे हट. Okay, guys, finally we are done crafting, coloring, and making our new gear blade, or you can say metal gear blade, guys. Just look at that. Wow. So yeah, I just added blue color from the sides. Yeah, it's looking like black, but still it's actually dark blue, guys. And from the front, red and blue, and from the bottom again red and blue, something like that. So here it is, guys, and here's our previous one, which is actually plastic, and this one is metal. And yeah, definitely this one is much more heavier, but yeah, the both Beys looks like fully same to same. So guys, here we have our new gear Beyblade, guys, and I call this as gear blade metal version, or you can say metal gear blade. Anyway, so here it is, guys, look at that, fully dark version. Anyway, let's see how much it weighs. I hope it will definitely above 50 grams for sure. Let's go. Whoa, 100 gram plus, guys. 100 gram के ऊपर है भाई. Guys, I had no expectation like this, but it is actually above 100 grams. Bro, wow. Seriously, guys, I had no expectation like this, that it will be 100 grams heavy. But definitely, guys, this is amazing to see. Bhai sab, abhi maja aayega na bhidu. Abhi maja aayega na bhidu. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh yeah, guys, the Bey is very heavy. So yeah, this launcher is not capable for this Beyblade, guys. Little bit too much lightweight launcher for this Bey. I need to use a powerful launcher, because the Bey is almost 100 grams heavy. I mean above 100 grams. Anyway, but yeah, guys, this just a modified metal Beyblade launcher is not actually suitable for this Bey. I have to use a powerful one, something like DB or sparking metal Beyblade launcher. I already have a modified one which has metal prong like this. And yeah guys, as you can see, very stable. Okay, let's do some battles. Go. Plastic Valkyrie. Oh, so yeah, somehow this Beys is going to be a stamina type Beyblade because the performance is something like that, a ball type performance type, and you can clearly see the hits guys, very sharp hits and heavy hits for sure because of heavy weight. Or driver metal Beyblade. Let's go. Oh wow, so yeah, both has the metal contact point guys. So oh wow, not bad guys. Oh guys, just look at that. Wow, look at that chipping. Oh, so this Beys definitely is very sharp for sure. Hillside, oh shoot, there we go. Yeah, Hillside is trying his best but still not able to do any type of damage, and loss again.